Is it time to buy or sell Cleveland-Cliffs stock? In this video, we will explore Cleveland-Cliffs in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of December, 2024, our system has identified Cleveland-Cliffs as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.6. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a decline of 23.63%. This equates to an average loss of 1.13% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. Over the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 26%, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 30% to a decrease of 11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of around 44% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between a decline of 46% and a decrease of 16%. This would translate to a price range between $5.06 and $7.98 after 1 year. In our latest daily update for Cleveland-Cliffs, we report that the stock price concluded at $9.50 on Friday, having experienced a decrease of 0.419%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January in the year 2025, Cleveland-Cliffs stock decreased by 0.419%, dropping from $9.54 to $9.50. Throughout that day, the stock exhibited significant volatility, fluctuating by 7.41%, with a low of $9.12 and a high of $9.79. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a loss of 0.37%. Notably, the trading volume increased by 12 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside declining prices, which may indicate an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 21 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $200,092,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $22.97 and a low of $8.99. Currently, the price stands 58.64%, or $13.47, below the 52-week high and 72.09%, or $24.54, below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of April in the year 2022, when it reached $34.04. Cleveland-Cliffs, identified by its stock symbol CLF, is making headlines with important developments that could influence its stock trajectory. On the 3rd day of January, the company announced the appointment of Jane Cronin to its board of directors. This move indicates a strategic effort to enhance governance and potentially foster future growth. Leadership changes of this nature are often viewed positively by investors, which can lead to increased confidence in the company's direction. Notably, prominent investor Jim Lebenthal has been acquiring additional shares of Cleveland-Cliffs. His investment strategy comes amid recent market volatility tied to geopolitical factors and President Biden's decision to block a significant acquisition in the steel sector. This situation could place Cleveland-Cliffs in a favorable position, assisting in stabilizing the competitive landscape for steel producers. Recently, Cleveland-Cliffs has demonstrated resilience, closing at $9.40 on the 3rd of January, reflecting an increase of 1.08%, even amidst broader market challenges. The stock has faced a tough year, down 50% in 2024, in stark contrast to the broader S&P 500, which gained 28%. Although the stock's recent performance has been unsatisfactory, ongoing discussions within the sector may present a chance for a turnaround. In the long run, these developments, along with changes in leadership and strategic actions from investors, could be vital in restoring investor confidence and facilitating a recovery in stock price for CLF. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned a buy grade to CLF with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Seaport Global again rated CLF with a buy grade, this time with an upgrade recommendation. On Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, Johnson Rice provided CLF with a buy grade, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, Raymond James rated CLF as market perform with a downgrade recommendation. On the same day, June 11th, 2024, Seaport Global assigned a neutral grade to CLF with an initialize recommendation. Analysts have assigned Cleveland-Cliffs stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Cleveland-Cliffs. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Cleveland-Cliffs stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This occurs because the long-term average is above the short-term average, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $11. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $9.40. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 27, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen by 2.81%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy that occurred 14 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals, the short moving average indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 170 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cleveland-Cliffs. Cleveland-Cliffs finds support from accumulated volume at $9.38, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by 675 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 7.41%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.15%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Cleveland-Cliffs, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This critical measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 250 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cleveland-Cliffs. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Cleveland-Cliffs is at $10.21. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Cleveland Cliffs encounters its first support level at $9.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Cleveland Cliffs from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 20th of November, 2024, Bloom Ron conducted an insider sale of 1,554 shares of common stock. On the 1st of October, 2024, Stoliar Gabriel made an insider purchase of 1,540 shares of common stock. On the same day, Stoliar Gabriel also executed an insider sale of 462 shares of common stock. On that same day, Bloom Ron conducted an insider purchase of 3,079 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of August, 2024, Baldwin John T. made an insider purchase of 8,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider sentiment to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 24.736. In total, insiders acquired 1,512,914 shares, while selling 803,813 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Cleveland Cliffs stock a good buy? Cleveland Cliffs presents several concerning indicators, leading us to believe it will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, January 6th, we anticipate that Cleveland Cliffs will open lower by approximately 3 cents, starting at $9.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.